In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 Koenigsegg Megacars 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Welcome to Luxury Elegance. Sweden's transport industry has long been known for its great safety and quality, whether it's passenger vehicles, buses, lorries, or the numerous lesser-known specialized engineering firms involved in the tuning and manufacturing of world-class rally cars. This was the setting for Christian von Koenigsegg's idea of launching his own automotive firm in 1994. The basic goal is to create the ideal supercar. He created the Koenigsegg vehicle firm at the age of 22 and set out to produce what he thought was the perfect car. Koenigsegg is a businessman and entrepreneur. He founded the Swedish sports vehicle manufacturer Koenigsegg Automotive. He founded the firm in 1994, with the Koenigsegg CC serving as the brand's first high-performance sports car. Christian, his wife, and their son operate the company, which produces some of the most beautiful and quickest production cars on the planet. Although Koenigsegg now has a fully equipped R&D department, he had to rely on tenacity, self-belief, and inventiveness when he first started out. He drew the first technical blueprint of his first car himself and handcrafted all of the model's pieces with the help of a small workforce working on meager wages. The prototype was completed in just 2 years. Here, the list of the top 10 Koenigsegg Megacars 2023. Let's start. Number 10. Koenigsegg Gemara. The Gemara demonstrates Koenigsegg's commitment to innovation. The Koenigsegg Gemara generates a staggering 1,700 horsepower and 2,583 pound-feet of torque with a compact 3-cylinder engine weighing only 155 pounds and a 3-motor electric hybrid system. Don't blink, since this helps drive the 4-seat Koenigsegg to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds on its way to a top speed of 249 miles per hour. The tiny friendly giant 3-cylinder engine, as it's internally referred to, features a cam-free valve train that reduces weight while adding more adjustability each combustion cycle, thanks to Koenigsegg's patented free-of-valve head design. The result is an almost astounding 600 horsepower from the 2.0-liter internal combustion engine on its own, but it was inspired by a modular Ford V8 engine. The engine had to be completely re-engineered in order to have high maneuverability and reliability, meet emission requirements, and reach 655 HP with full OBD compliance. A centrifugal supercharger with a massive intercooler, ram air intake, merged exhaust headers, larger injectors, fudged pistons and connecting rods, and dry sump lubrication were all integrated into the engine. The cylinder heads had to be reworked, as well as new injectors and camshafts installed by Koenigsegg. Number 8. Koenigsegg CCR. The CCR was an improvement to the X8 Siemens that came in 14 different models. It had bigger wheels and tires, bigger brakes, a rear wing, a bigger front splitter, a better body design, and better suspension and chassis. The CCR also had a more powerful engine with 2 compressors that could produce an astonishing 806 HP. In general, the CCR appeared more like a racing car than the more graceful X8 Siemens. The automobile was even granted the Guinness World Record for the fastest production car on the planet in February 2005, with a top speed of 388 km/h, breaking the 8-year record held by the stunning McLaren F1. Number 7. Koenigsegg CCX. The CCX was Koenigsegg's first car that was fully designed with the greatest and most up-to-date tools available. Unlike prior versions, the chassis tooling and body were sketched in 3D CAD and then cut using CNC machines. They widened the chassis to accommodate the American market. The lighting and bumpers were replaced, and the roofline was elevated. The electrical system went completely digital. In contrast to physical relays and fuses, semiconductor relays and fuses were employed. Number 6. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Trevita translates to 3 whites in Swedish. The automobile is well known for its visible carbon weave bodywork, which has received praise for its precision and distinctiveness. Prior to the Trevita, traditional black carbon fibers were the only ones utilized in automobile construction. Koenigsegg developed a coated fiber solution for the Trevita, converting the fibers from dreary black to a brilliant, silvery white. When exposed to sunlight, the visible carbon fiber bodywork sparkles as though it were lined with millions of little white diamonds. The vehicle includes a hydraulic lifting system, a tire monitoring system, an infotainment system, a chrono instrument cluster, paddle shift, airbags, carbon ceramic brakes with ABS, an internal exhaust system, and a distinctive double carbon rear. Number 5. Koenigsegg CCXR Edition. The CCXR was derived from the CCX, but with an integrated flow power system since it could also operate on recyclable ethanol. This was the first ever green supercar. At the time of its launch, no other automobile manufacturer had even considered going green. The CCXR was not just green, but its ethanol gasoline had a higher octane rating than regular pump petrol, implying that its performance was on an entirely new level. Its engine was based on the CCX, but was heavily modified to run on E85 and regular petrol thanks to a flex fuel system invented and advanced by Koenigsegg. Number 4. Koenigsegg Agera RS. The Koenigsegg Agera RS is the next automobile in Christian von Koenigsegg's collection. The Agera RS has a wonderfully aggressive design as well as a mind-boggling performance. The Agera RS is powered by a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 1,160 horsepower and 944 lb-ft of torque. The Koenigsegg can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds and has a top speed of 277.87 miles per hour. It's the same supercar that shredded the Bugatti Veyron's top speed record. Number 3. Koenigsegg Regera. The Koenigsegg Regera was created to be a luxury megacar rather than the conventional lightweight, extreme race-style road automobiles. The automobile combines a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine with 3 electric motors and economical battery power via the revolutionary powertrain technology known as Koenigsegg Direct Drive. The typical gearbox has been removed from this new technology, reducing its weight and increasing its efficiency. Regera is an apt name for a machine that offers a distinct blend of luxury, reactivity, and power. The Koenigsegg Regera's acceleration and speed are frightening, and it smashed the world record on September 23, 2019. The Koenigsegg Regera reached 249 miles per hour, 400 kph in 31.49 seconds. The Regera managed to accelerate from 0 to 249 miles per hour in 22.87 seconds and progressively decelerate in 8.62 seconds across a distance of 1,613.2 meters, for a total time of 31.49 seconds. Number 2. Koenigsegg Jesco. The new Koenigsegg Jesco is one of the most insane supercars in the world, according to the brand. The Jesko has a futuristic look and a thrilling driving experience that you will never forget. The Jesko is powered by a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine that produces up to 1,600 horsepower. The new Jesko's fluid 9-speed light-speed transmission with a multi-clutch architecture makes every gear shift exciting. Number 1. Koenigsegg Jesco Absolute. 300 miles per hour. Surprisingly, this isn't the Koenigsegg Jesco Absolute stop speed. Christian estimates that the car will reach at least 330 and potentially 350 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car ever built. We're talking about cruising speeds that are quicker than those of certain private luxury aeroplanes. The word absolute in Jesco Absolute refers to one of, if not the absolute final solution in automotive speed. Powered by the most recent iteration of Koenigsegg's V8, this time with a flat plane crank, it produces 1,280 horsepower on regular fuel and 1,600 on E85. The Jesco Absolute has a drag coefficient of only 0.278, making it extremely aerodynamic while still being quite strong. Jesko von Koenigsegg, Christian von Koenigsegg's father, inspired the car's name. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.